Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 7th December 2022. Today's my Viva topic is conditional statement in Java. So this is the Java conditional statement support to the logical condition. Suppose less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. This is the logical condition. In a Java main condition are they included if statement, else if statements or switch statement. So next first is the if statement. Use the to specify block code, execute the specify condition is true. Condition is the true. The Java statement is the most simple decision making statement. If statement selected contain the statement block statement execute or not the certain condition then block statement execute the otherwise not. Next is the else statement. Else statement use a block code to be the execute the some condition is false. Next is the else if statement. Next is the else if statement. Else if statement use the statement is the specify new condition if the first condition is the false. This is the work on the else if statement in the main conditional statement. Next is the else statement are false, then the move to block false, move to block else condition. Condition else if statement used to execute the once multiple condition. It is called as the multiple decision statements. So next is the switch statement. Switch statement is the statement use the selected one many code block be to the executed or the switch statement executed one value expression compare with the value of the each case. It is the their match associate block the code executed, and this is the break and default keyword to optionals. This is the switch statement or switch statement. This is the switch to the code in these conditions. So next is the main conditional statement in this Java, or this is the very important topic is condition or conditional statement in Java, because the all execute the code. This is the statement is very important, and execute the programs, and this is the check the conditions. Check the condition in these statements. This is the if statement, else statement, else if statement or switch statements. So this is the importance in Java, and these statements are the working in the another work to be the execute the one by one or equals to, not equals to. This is the main concepts statements in Java. So thank you.